How do successful businesses excel in after-sales service to keep the customer happy? After-sales service is more than just fixing a problem. It's about creating lasting impressions that turn one-time buyers into lifelong customers. Yet, many B2C OEM SMEs fall short in this area, often due to a lack of customer service orientation, poor communication, or even a dismissive attitude toward complaints. The consequences are severe: dissatisfied customers, negative reviews, damaged reputation, and ultimately declining market share. Why does this happen? Often, SMEs focus heavily on product design and manufacturing, assuming that a great product will sell itself and eliminate the need for strong service systems. But today's customers demand more. They expect prompt, empathetic, and efficient support when things go wrong. Ignoring after-sales service isn't just a missed opportunity, it's a competitive risk. This is where the S.E.R.V.E.S framework comes in. By systematically addressing the root causes of poor after-sales service, this framework helps SMEs create a customer-centric approach that effectively resolves issues, strengthens brand loyalty, and drives growth. Wait, are you sure you are exploring the right framework? Instead of guessing, answer a few quick questions at How Frame works to find the one that fits your problem. Once you have the right framework, download our implementation guides and execute it step by step. You can also download pre-designed Excel dashboards to track your progress, all in one place. Join howframeworks.com today and take control of your growth, one smart decision at a time.